हेलो वेलकम दोस्तों। मैं विकास आपका में
It will be
चलिए
different
स्टार्ट करते
conditions
हैं
as they will be
कोलकाता और
playing under
मुंबई
the
के
light.
मैच
The
में
captains are ready to call for the toss.
टॉस
Heads or
टाइम।
tails, it's anyone's guess. Heads is the call. And heads it
दोस्तों
is.
मैं सेवेंटी शर्मा सेवेंटी शुक्ला
The batting side has been decided. Looks like a really good surface today.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. A hop, a skip, and the ball whooshes away to leg. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. He struck the meatiest bit of willow there. Away, an amazing effort in the end from the fielder. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? The ball might as well be invisible. What a miss. No happy ending for the batsman at the end. The bat over. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. That's some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. He drives that one. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A wild swinging delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. Well bowled. He's forced him to play that block. The sharp economist, this one. A frugal over with slim returns for the batting. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. What a body shot! It doesn't seem to be timed well. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for four. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a four. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? That's a quick bit of leg work from these. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. Oh, what a delivery! Got it! A confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't convinced. He turns. Down the appeal. A good over for the batting team. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Says the umpire, and huge celebrations from the fielding unit. Looks like they'll go up for the review. The DRS review could be saved for later. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Fielders are making their move in the ground. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A quick coupling from the batter. But the bowler's not singing a happy tune. 2 runs to start things off. Keep us in! Added to the total on the last ball. Of the over. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He's hit it back. Yes. He's hit it high. That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. It's out. The stump has lit up. Here's the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor things. The batsman makes contact with nothing but air. Catch! Keeper! Aïsan? The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. Delivery. It has deceived the batsman completely. That's it. The bowling is on a roll here. It's a bloodbath at the batter's end. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. Yeah. They're trying to mix things up a little bit with some quick pace. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. A good length from the bowler. That's a fine delivery. He'd do well in a bar fight. That's one heck of a hook. Keepers. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Off the starting blocks with a safe play. That finds the middle of the bat. He goes for the on drive. The crowds are going crazy for that unbelievable stop. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? Loud shouts from the bowling team, but the umpire decides in the batsman's favour. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. With a hop, skip and a jump up the ropes. 4 to the batsman. so far. Will this be a hat-trick boundary? Four more runs to end the over. Batsmen would be very pleased with that over. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Fielders are making their move in the ground. Got us in. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A quick couplet from the batter. That the bowler's not singing a happy tune.
Bowlers, bowlers!
Great coordination between the pair. That's good running. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. He dives wildly back to the crease. Is he out? Easy decision by the umpire. That's signalled not out. He's blocked it straight down into the pitch. A good block to a challenging delivery. No luck. The batsman at the end of that over. Dog ball. The bowling decides to send in a spin meister. Can he spin up a wicket? Time for some spin now. And it doesn't seem to be timed well. The ball races away to the boundary. He has to run hard on this one. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A quick couplet from the batter. And the bowler's not singing a happy tune. They should not try something outside.
Keepers in! Catch it! Catch it!
4 runs to end the over. An expensive over that'll cost the bowling a lot in makeup. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two minds there. In the air, if that finds a pair of hands, it's over. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard.
Catch it!
He's down on one knee, proposing to go for the boundary. Batsman's error, fielder's joy. He's gone. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. Oh, that was a close one. It's another ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. Gets underneath the ball this time and knocks it for a six off the last ball. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. A quick couplet from the batter. Then the bowler's not singing a happy tune. Such an intimidating swing. That's a fine running between the wickets.
Bowler!
The batsman strikes a double on the final delivery. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They have run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. A beautiful delivery and it swings through the line. Good variation there, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. A tiny dot ball to end the over. An off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes on the attack. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. A fine double that will push the tally ahead.
Bowlers!
The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery.
Bowler!
They're bringing in some medium pace to try and limit the opposition's scoring rate. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Could have easily nicked the bat. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Close company, but fours at last. What a shot! It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. Four. The batsman never saw that one coming. What a ball! The batsman might be in trouble here. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. They need to build on this good partnership to post a competitive total. For the batting team.
Need it in minutes? Just blink it. Download the Blink It app now.
They're trying to mix things up a little bit with some quick pace. A change of pace. The fast bowler has now joined the attack. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. Let's hope he's okay. Oh, that looked painful. Let's hope he can bounce back from it. Turns a very good throw back to the stumps. Fielders are making their move in the ground. Keeper. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. A wonderful over comes to an end. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Bowled him. The batsman is gone. The bails are lit. What a delivery. A new man in. Time for him to up the swing rate. The calm before the storm shatters with that massive 6. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. An impressive stint by both batsmen. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. 2 runs. That's a good shot selection. Drives the ball through the offside. Close. The batsman goes for the dive. Did he make it in time? The umpire says he did. Safe. Excellent placement by the batsman. Moves quickly to place the ball on the offside. A change of pace. Fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's hit it high. He has gone hard on this one to be safe. The fielder sees eye to eye with the ball. The ball has pierced the fielders all the way. A beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. Oops, that misses the keeper by a mile. Extra runs for the batting team. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, what a delivery. A good over for the batting team. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Such an intimidating swing. He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary. A very good partnership by the two out in the middle. Could have easily nicked the bat. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. The bowler has completely bamboozled the batsman. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's 4 more runs to end the over. An off-spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes up the... That's given out by the umpire. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. The batsman has decided to review this. Yes, they've decided to go to the third umpire. That's given out by the umpire. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. Swept across. No mercy. The ball is not stopping for anyone. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. once again. No runs off that one. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler has now leaves the batsman totally baffled. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two minds there. He doesn't seem to be timed well. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. That's given out by the umpire. Looks like they'll go up for the review. They aren't going for a DRS opinion on this one.
Catch! Keeper's in!
The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. It doesn't seem to be timed well. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket.
Keeper's in!
That's some fine running between the wickets. Got it!
Keeper's in! Catch!
The umpire knows what the batsman doesn't. Not out.